Well, tire changing season is just a week or two away. As soon as I'm sure we're not going to get some sort of freak spring snowstorm, I'm putting the summer tires back on my Yaris, which is really easy because they're mounted on rims already, so all I have to do is just swap them around. What I've been using, this compact floor jack, 2 tons, and a couple of these jack stands. Kind of looks like the Eiffel Tower. But recently, my buddy Ed brought in an Armstrong M65 floor jack. This, did I say strong arm or Armstrong? It's strong arm. Anyway, this beast weighs a ton. So I'll have to work around that. One thing which really shaves some seconds off of my time is this compact impact wrench, which when set to 3, pretty much matches the same torque requirements as my lug nuts. So as soon as I've figured all of this out, I can fix this beast here, and I'll have to make myself some sort of little ramp so I can just... What the fuck?